Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Fel blauw schijnend licht dat rondwaait in ons dorp.
Wees maar niet.
Oh, it's lovely to pull the great express train.
Rebecca's a very cheery.
You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen to choke, pass him, then win. Francesco always.
It's really slippery.
Sure you're okay climbing alone?
Don't worry, I'll be all right.
A secret? Oh, tell me, please. I promise I'll keep it a secret. Okay.
You make such a nice new road. You come to my shop. Luigi take a good care of you.
Mater, let's go! You're on!
So proud. Thank you, King. Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I...
Apa yang kau lakukan?
Just don't hurt me. A parking boot? Why do I have a parking boot on? What's going on?
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa! Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
¡Son tubos de escape!
Need is the sweet taste of my homemade organic fuel.
No, doesn't agree with my...
Charming.
Well, thanks. But as much fun as it was hanging with y'all, this...
I knew you needed a crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Neem nou een slokje water.
Ook die hikken, soldaat.
Jongen. Takel, zet hem neer.
What happened to you? That song. It flipped the switch.
It's 36 days later, running on a fuel he distilled himself from the natural elements.
Be going now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
It's Jackson's storm for the win!
No creo que Stanley haya cruzado este camino.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah!
I'm having a tornado in a trailer park.
Just me and the old man, fellas.
McQueen just doesn't have it today.
Mr. Sterling, did you say Lightning McQueen was here? Because I don't see him anywhere.
Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you lemon?
Mama ain't seen you that low in years. I haven't seen a road like this.
¡Oh, no! ¡Estornudo!